can't believe it. Another year has gone by and we come here once again, take a snapshot of what we've achieved last year and what we plan to achieve in 2023.
So Malta Sotheby's International Realty, again, right? You persevered through your great commitment. So I applaud you to your great performance, and it's just great to celebrate this day with you.
10 years of business. It's been a lovely journey. We've really managed to get where we wanted to get. So let's keep at it, and the sky is the limit. Well done, everyone.
It all comes from dreams, right? If you don't dream, you won't achieve. And obviously try to keep your job as a lovely hobby, you know? We're doing our job and seeing different projects, meeting different people, all of this. Sotheby's is a great name, guys, huh? Out there, it's super. So always respect your brand.